Okay guys, it's MD12000.1 guys. Alright, let me go over some stuff before I go into what I'm going to do with the bench test. So as you could see, I have the speaker wires hooked up to it. Just to let you guys if you guys have something. You guys know it's working or right, I turn it like this, guys. So I like to show the good stuff to amplifiers, guys. I love, like this. Alright, let me put a little of the here in it, so what I'm gonna mess with her soon. Alright guys, so let me tell you, I replaced these IC. It says IC4 and IC2 right here. As I told you guys, this is a full IR. Where did I put that? This is the IR4427S. It's the same as the UCC 27524, or yeah, UCC 27524. Yeah, same thing as that one, and same as the 23. So let me see. Yeah, it have a lot of replacement, guys. This one does do, yeah, it do have a lot of replacement. Maybe some people don't know, but let me tell you guys, it has a lot of replacement. Let me look up some of the replacement and show you if I have them here. Oh, those are the 26. Come on. Yeah, one say okay. It's a UCC 27 324. 324, that's the other one, guys. Also, yeah. And the UCC 27 524, and then you have the IR 427S. So those are, I think those are the three. Let me check again just to make sure, guys, if I have anything here with a different number, so I can let you guys know. So whenever you're buying these, you don't have to, make you know that you have a lot of option for replacement and stuff like that. So, all right, 27 324. Yeah, that's it, guys, for that. Now, all right, so these are what I replaced here, guys, as I told you before, and right here, which is the resistor 41. Resistor 41 is at 10 ohms. Also resistor 38, 10 ohms. And all these gate resistors that go down from here, guys, these gate resistors are 4R7 ohms. That's 4.7 ohms. And then you have these are the signal diodes. This black one right here. These signal diodes are U2D. That's U2D. That's the number in the U2D. And these are these big glass looking there with the blue stripe on it, and I would say, some people would say red and blue or orange and blue, whichever you want to call the color inside of it. Yeah, that's are the copper looking color. Yeah, one with the blue stripe on it. Yeah, those are 15 volts all around, in this. And let me see what else I replaced. I replaced these guys right here, which is the IC driver MOSFET, guys. I mean, IC driver IC, guys. The driver IC, guys. Yeah, the driver IC, which is the SI8244BB. I replaced both of them. Yes, guys. And all of the outputs MOSFET, all of the power supply MOSFET, and stuff like that. I replaced those. And let me see. So, guys, the power supply MOSFET is a regular, traditional, the signature MOSFET that they normally use, TARAMP, which is the IRF 1404. Yeah, that's a signature MOSFET they use in most of the amplifier. Yes, guys. And here for the output, I have the IRFB 4127. You could also use the IRFB 4115. We're just the same, guys. Normally they do that, they switch them with a lot of the amplifiers, just like that. And then now, guys, let me see what else I replaced. I think that's it, guys. I didn't replace anything. I only threw those some burnt traces right here. I don't know, guys. This part of the amplifier, but a lot of them, they always give you a lot of trouble, because this is where the major problem was. But it take out everything here, and some of these on this side was good, but I still replaced them. Yeah, but this side right here, guys, which we have the, I think it's a D21 diode. And then you have the D27. D21 is a signal diode. D27 is a regular 15 volts diode, guys. But this part of the circuit, guys, always seem to give some problems. So that's the problem, guys, with this amplifier. So let me hook it up and switch it on, guys. I give it a brief switching over. And guys, what I normally do, I don't know why I always do this. Once I see it pause up, I always tell myself, like, oh yeah, it's working. Which in sometimes it's not. So this time I'm gonna do it again, guys. I'm gonna try and see what happens if it pause up. Because sometimes these are the amplified, guys, which if it pause up normally it's playing when you go through all of that work and stuff. But I'm keeping my fingers crossed because I think it's, if anything would wrong, it's good in protection mode. Most of the time it does that. But let's see, guys, if I get lucky on this one. And we go from there. So let's see. Alright, the power light would come somewhere here. So what I would have to, let me check, guys. Make sure I'm still recording. Yes, I'm still recording. Alright, so go to YouTube, guys. You know how it goes already. Ah, man. I download some bass stuff. I have to still have them here. This is bass tone. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Alright, let me see. This thing is moving around. This phone is moving around, which I don't want it to do. Hold on. Alright, guys, so let me pour this thing on. Let's see. Everything is good. Right, guys, as you can see, it does pour on. As you guys can see that blue light under my hand right there. Let me try something here, guys, which is the deepest bass ever. This would be the volume button. There's a noisy car coming just now. Come on. Hold on, guys, see what's going on here. Alright, guys. Jesus. Wow. See, guys, it goes into protection mode. And I think it will come out like now when I turn it off because I turned up too much. Alright. Off. And on. Okay, guys, see? Come right back on, guys. So don't worry, guys. So yeah. It's good, guys. I turned it up too much just now. So all is well with this amplifier. Oh, geez. Just was out of focus, guys. So yes, guys. Everything is up and running with this one, guys. And that's it, guys. So this one is ready, which is the MD12000.1, guys. Up and running. Alright, guys. So see you on the next one. Alright. Carti and Cardi out for now, guys, with the final benches of this amplifier. Alright. Enough respect, guys, as I said before. I really appreciate you guys.